Anyway, thank you all for joining me. So I've been trying to make a weather forecast, a winter weather forecast, but so I was watching direct weather. This is from 2014, 9 years ago. Look how easy. I mean, this is paint in 2014. Paint now, you'll be lucky if you get the same thing. So this is me going into paint. See, paint has the same features, right, as it did back then. But look what happens if you do the same thing he's doing. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Unbelievable. And when he does it...
You filming the rest of the states?
Yeah. Does it look like there's any mess going on? No. This is direct weather 9 years ago. Look at this. Look how easy it was. And now, look at this. And it's the same exact map. Same exact map. Look at this. Yeah, how to make a weather map. Now you can't because paint sucks. Oh yeah, try to open paint with 3D. It's going to be the same exact crap. Yeah, I'm going to open paint 3D. Yeah, it's going to be the same crap. Trust me. Yeah, it's going to be the same crap. New. Let's see. Oh, couldn't insert. Something went wrong. Of course. Menu. Open. Oh. Oh, look at that. But this works, right? This is when I was trying to make my EES scenario back in a while. Like a while back. Oh my god. You know what? So, don't save. Okay, yeah, so paint sucks. Again. Anyway, so let's look at sea surface temperature anomalies right now. I wanted to make a winter weather forecast. So, in fact, I'm actually going to go back into paint and I'm just going to try to do what I can to make my own winter weather forecast. So we're on paint. So let's, I guess, open paint. So this is basically the so I'm going to basically draw an outline for where I believe the so this is going to be where this is going to be basically where we're going to have the coldest temps this winter. It's going to be so this is going to be below average temps here, just roughly. So it's going to be definitely a. So let's fill it in. So hold on, we're not done yet because we still have. Yeah. This is bull crap. Anyway. And of course, paint works well everywhere else. Oh, look at that. Anyway, so let's now do colder than a little colder than average. So this is not going to be a typical La Nina again. Yeah, this is just bull crap. Anyway, so there's gonna be equal chances, and then your above average area will most likely be across the upper Midwest and parts of northern New England, as there will be some blocking. Perhaps the like something like that. And most likely, it would be from blocking patterns. So let's just even might be a little bit of a little bit of above normal. So it will be something like that, roughly, with equal chances between in the central United States. Of course, there will be some Arctic outbreaks. This is for temperature below normal across the south. There might even be a couple pockets of well below normal. However, let's just change to draw that same outline. There we go. So there we go. Roughly, this is what's likely going to happen. And so equal chances for most of the Midwest. There is a chance that, yeah, it's not going to be all of Wisconsin. It's going to be most likely the northern tip of Wisconsin will be slightly above normal. Something like that. Ups. Nope. Hold on. Yeah, I think I needed to fill that in. That's why. Yes, there we go. Okay. Yeah, select Marquette or the UP. And there we go. That looks more accurate, more or less. So let's then start anew. Now we'll be talking about precipitation. Again, going back to the same map. This is just such a waste of time, honestly. Only worked properly. So in terms of precipitation, above normal would be green, and below normal would be like orange and red. So let's draw where we would expect above average precipitation. And this would definitely be a southeast and possibly going up to the northeast like that. So let's, yeah, because we'll have a very active jet stream pattern and also some blocking. So the little upward tilt is to account for the blocking. And let's just fill this in. Basically, the eastern seaboard right along the coast will have above average precipitation. This is precip. This is just like total rainfall, snowfall. And for below normal, let's do. So we should expect a possibly some below normal precip here. So the upper Midwest might get below normal here. So this is basically what it should look like. So equal chances for the rest of the country. But it'll be drier and warmer across the northern United States, especially the Montana, North Dakota, Wisconsin. Storm tracks would primarily be here. I'm not too concerned about California since this is an eastern and so driven event. Your rainfall track will be further east, but again, California, I'm going to put it in equal chances because right now the Pacific Ocean is very, very just doing. It's giving mixed signals, so it could go either way. Equal chances. And now let's look at snowfall. This, like, snowfall forecast now. All right. So again, blues for above average snowfall. So let's look at snowfall. And basically winter precipitation. So the south will definitely have a chance of snow. So let's just draw this line here. Of course, Florida almost never gets snow, but you never know. So basically anywhere north of this line will basically have major chances of snow. So let's, and then I would kind of encircle here because this is going to be below average snowfall here. With average to above average here, so let's circle all the areas that I'm expecting below average. Oh, sorry. Yeah. All right, there we go now. Bingo, bingo, bingo. But even though I'm going to be filling in things that will likely get above average snowfall, there's really a lot of ways this could happen. In fact, you might even say that this could actually be a below average winter here for snowfall. So below average, I would not put Wisconsin in above average, so actually I'm going to crop this a little bit. So I'm going to redraw. Just like that. There we go. And this is yeah. So ignore that line here. Just gonna So this is for snowfall. Again. So you're gonna get some big time snowstorms here, and like the New York City area may get quite a bit of snow. So yeah. Oops, that was definitely, I definitely messed up here. Hold on, did not mean for that to happen. Alright, there we go. Yeah, you know what, I'm just gonna reset it. It looks like it's just, paint is just being a pain right now, so. Yeah, paint is being a pain. So let's, yeah. So, let's redo this. So for above average snowfall, we'll say the northeast. So East Coast here. Definitely have some pretty significant snow events here. And I think your bullseye area actually be here, Delmarva. And obviously there's going to be lake effect snow, so yeah, there's definitely going to be a pretty active lake effect this winter. So yeah, be prepared for a very active lake effect. Oops. Yeah. So very active lake effect this winter. Alrighty. What the heck? Oh, there. I think I know what the problem is. Connect all the way. Okay. There we go. Alright, and oops. Alrighty. Yeah, this is a really, really, really poorly drawn map. So I'm almost embarrassed. There we go. There we go now. And that's for New York City. It would be in the, sorry, in the slightly above normal category, so yeah. And actually northern Maine might actually be slightly below normal because of a positive, because of some blocking from Greenland. It'll be pretty strong blocking, so yes. And there'll also be below average snowfall across most of the upper Midwest, and the northern states will have below average snowfall, precipitation, and temperatures. So yeah, drought conditions are definitely possible. Not serious, but yes. And again, equal chances, and also more snow across the southeast. So yeah, this should be a pretty active winter season for a large part of the South. Yes, this is a preliminary winter forecast. Still preliminary. It's still has a lot. I still have a lot to do. Yeah, definitely a very, very active snow year this winter. There could be a couple clipper systems that will dump snow in Boston, so especially because of very powerful warm temperatures here. But I think this will be mostly a mid-Atlantic event. So yeah, mid-Atlantic better prepare for a very snow winter, a very cold and snowy winter. So let's see. Yeah. Yeah, so now let's look at SST anomalies. Again, I'm a little disappointed it hasn't been updated. It's already September 2nd. Usually supposed to update every 3 days. But there was a storm that actually passed by the other day here, so might be some upwelling of cold waters. But based on how warm the Atlantic was, I don't think it's going to do much. The warmest temps I found were here and over here. So let's look at Siberian snow extent right now. Let's look at the global snow lab right now. Already, look at that, September 1st, and there's already snow in Siberia. Departure from normal, look at that. Oh, we're off to an early start. Let's hope it all fills up early. Let's hope we're all positive for Siberian snow extent, because that's a good sign. Oh yeah. Departure from normal, let's see. That's normal for Greenland. Yeah, see. Let's look at the GFS, and let's look at the global temperature, global weather pattern. Ooh, that's a very good sign. Oh my God. Oh my God. North America. Let's go to North America now. Oh my God, an East Coast hurricane? Oh, it doesn't hit anybody. That's still a very, very close call. That's going to give New York City a lot of rain. You see all that cooling there? That's a major rain event in New York City. See, that's probably rain there. Let's see. That's got to be a lot of rain there. Even though you'd be far from the hurricane. Yeah, that's definitely scary. Quickly becomes extratropical, but yeah, that's not good. And this is only going out to, yeah, so this could be, I don't live in New York City, but I'm in Oswego, but damn. Wow. Even with a near record strong El Nino, we're having a very active hurricane season because of how warm the AMO is this year. The Atlantic Multi-Decadal Oscillation, very warm. Again, let's look at the climate. Daily sea surface temperature. Look at this. I mean, this was the last record warmest year before was 2020. Let's go to 2016, the quote unquote crazy El Nino year. Remember? Yeah, right here. Jeez. I mean, this can in part have to do with the very warm AMO, because we didn't really have a warm AMO that year, but wow. It's 2 degrees Celsius warmer. Here's the average. August 31st, 21 degrees Celsius. 20.5, 21.1. I mean, that is a huge, huge difference. North Atlantic. 25.3 degrees Celsius, 24. Like, this is just. Wow. Normal. This is mean. Let's go to 1997. Some of the snowiest winters were 2010, 2011. a very warm year. And then 2011, not as warm, but then 2012, especially the winter time, was very warm. 2020, 2019, not so much. You know, the snowiest winter. Let's go to Hana. Okay, let's go to 2023. Let's go to the mean. Let's go to here. This is where we are right now. So the snowiest winters was 2009, 2010, 2010, 2011. 2011, 2012 was not snowy. Let's compare snowy, snowy, not snowy. But look, El Nino had to do with that, La Nina. But then 2012, 2013, you know, we had Hurricane Sandy. November 7th, we had a major snowstorm. Right around November, right? But then look what happened in 2002, 2003. And in 2007, 2006, and then 2007 and 2008. So yeah. They said, oh, everything was so cold in 2010, 2011, 2012. Yeah. In terms of like the Pacific, yeah, they. And then 2020, we had one of the most busy hurricane seasons. Yeah, near record territory, and we're even warmer this year. Jeez. 2020. Hide all. 23. Let's go 2020. 21. 22. Yeah, it's just getting warmer. Yeah, this is really bad. So she's set for some anomaly map right here. Right there, 7 degrees. World. North Atlantic. That is upwelling. Oh, that's upwelling from Hurricane Franklin. Now it looks like we may have another hurricane that might be starting to threaten the East Coast. Now we're looking at the European. Oh, look at that. Here comes the hurricane. Anyway, guys, I'm going to bed. Hopefully, I'll be able to get this thing figured out and I'll be able to make my own map. I've been trying to do this for a while. I don't know what affordable software I could buy that, you know, will actually allow me to make my own map. Anyway, thank you for watching and good night. Well, looks like nobody did. But yeah, if you live in the Mid-Atlantic region, prepare for a very stormy winter. Make another update soon.